Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a neighborhood in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and their new neighbors. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the most common topic for small talk in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
This neighborhood is so quiet on Saturday mornings. I can hear the birds singing.
I know, I love it. Look at all the trees and flowers. Everything is so green.
It feels very different from where we lived before.
In a good way, right?
Yes, it does. The air feels cleaner here too. But did you see that?
See what?
That woman across the street. She said good morning to us and waved.
Oh yes, I waved back, didn't you?
I did a small wave, but I don't know her at all.
That's normal here, Ken. In many places here, people say hello to strangers on the street.
Really? Even if you have never met them before?
Yes, it's just being friendly. It doesn't mean you have to have a long conversation.
Okay, but what if someone starts talking to me? I never know what to say.
That's easy. You can talk about the weather. Like, nice day today, isn't it? Many people do it.
The weather? That's really it?
It's the most popular topic for small talk. Everyone can talk about the weather.
What else can I say?
You can say something nice about them, like, I like your shoes, or your dog is so cute.
Just a simple thing like that?
Yes, people love it when you see something nice about them. It makes them happy.
I want to try, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll get better with practice. Oh, look, there's a small bookstore over there.
I can see it. It looks nice.
Why don't you go in by yourself? I'll wait at the park next to it.
By myself? You want me to practice?
Yes, go talk to the people there. You can do it.
Okay, I'll try my best.
That's great. You can do it. I believe in you.
Thanks, Lily. I hope it goes well. I'll go now.
Good luck. You'll be great.
Hi there. Welcome. How are you today?
Oh, hi. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Are you looking for anything special?
Not really. I'm just looking around. This is a very nice store.
Thank you. We've been here for about 10 years now. Do you live around here?
Yes, we just moved here last week, actually.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. Where did you move from?
We lived on the other side of the city before, but we wanted a quieter place.
Well, you chose a good area. It's very quiet here. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like travel books and history books.
Oh, we have a great travel section over there by the window. People love it.
Really? I'll take a look. Thank you.
Of course. Let me know if you need any help. I'm always here, so please ask me anytime you need help.
Actually, can I ask you something? What do you like most about this area?
Oh, that's a nice question. I love the park next to us. It's beautiful in every season, and the people here are very friendly.
Yes, I noticed that. A woman said good morning to us on the street today.
That happens a lot here. Many people here say hello.
By the way, I really like your apron. The flowers on it are very pretty.
Oh, thank you so much. My grandmother made it for me. That's so kind of you to say.
It's really nice. She did a wonderful job.
That made me so happy. You know, when someone says something nice like that, it always makes people happy.
I'm learning that. Lily told me the same thing this morning.
She's a smart woman. Saying something nice is the easiest way to start a good conversation.
I think you're right. I'll remember that.
Here, let me show you our travel section. We just got some new books about Asia.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for being so kind.
Of course, neighbors help each other.
Nice day, isn't it?
It really is. The sky is so blue today.
I love Saturday mornings here. It's always so calm and quiet. Oh, careful. My dog wants to say hello to you.
Oh, hello there, little one. You are so cute. What a friendly dog.
She loves meeting new people. Her name is Bella. She thinks everyone is her best friend.
I can see that. She's so sweet. I love her brown and white hair.
Thank you. She's a good girl. Do you live around here? I don't think I've seen you before.
Yes, we just moved here last week. Ken and I found a nice place on Oak Street.
Oh, Oak Street. That's a great area. Very quiet and close to everything. I live 2 streets away from there.
That's close. So you know this area well.
I've been here for about 5 years now. I walk my dog here every morning and evening. Why did you move here?
We wanted a quieter place, and we loved how green and beautiful it is here.
You made a good choice. If you like walking, there's a really nice path along the river. It takes about 20 minutes from here.
That sounds lovely. We should try it.
Also, there's a great flower shop on Main Street and a small coffee shop next to it.
Oh, I love coffee.
You should try it. They have the best coffee in the area.
I'll go there soon.
You should. The owner is very nice. She always remembers what you order.
That's so sweet. It sounds like a wonderful place here.
It really is. Many people here know each other and help each other. You'll love it.
I already do. Thank you for all the information. That's very helpful.
Of course. And if you need anything, just ask anyone around here. People are always happy to help.
That's so nice to hear. Well, it was really nice talking with you. I should go meet Ken now.
Have a great day, and welcome again.
Thank you. You too. Bye, sweet dog.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is greeting, meaning something you say when you meet someone. For example, good morning is a common greeting. The second word is stranger, meaning a person you do not know. For example, he said hello to a stranger on the street. The third word is compliment, meaning something nice you say about a person. For example, she gave him a compliment about his shirt. The fourth word is polite, meaning being kind and showing good manners. For example, it is polite to say thank you. The fifth word is chat, meaning a short, friendly talk with someone. For example,
I had a nice chat with my neighbor. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the park.
Lily, I'm back from the bookstore.
How did it go? Tell me everything.
It was actually really nice. The woman at the store was very friendly.
See? I told you. What did you talk about?
She asked me how I was and where I live.
And what did you say?
I told her we just moved here.
That's great, Ken. That's exactly how small talk works.
But you know what was funny? When she said, "How are you?" I almost started telling her about my bad sleep last night.
Oh no, you didn't, did you?
No, I stopped myself, but I wanted to. In my head, I thought it was a real question.
In many places, how are you is just a greeting, like saying hello. The best answer is just, good, thanks, or I'm doing well.
Yes, I understand that now. It's different from what I'm used to.
Did anything else happen?
Yes, I told her that I liked her apron. She was wearing one with flowers on it, and she was so happy about it.
That's wonderful. See? Saying something nice really works.
What about you? What did you do here at the park?
I met a nice man with a really cute dog. He told me about the area.
What did he say?
He said there's a beautiful walking path by the river and a good coffee shop on Main Street.
Did he just start talking to you?
He said, nice day, isn't it? And then we just kept talking.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, you start with something simple, like the weather, and then the conversation grows from there.
I see. Weather, then something nice, then ask a question. It's like 3 easy steps.
Exactly. You're getting it, Ken. Do you want to try again?
Actually, yes. I feel less nervous now. Then it was easy to keep talking at the bookstore, too.
Look, there's a flower shop across the street. Why don't you go and buy me some flowers?
So you want flowers and you want me to practice talking.
2 good things at the same time.
All right, I'll go.
Hi there. Looking for something special today?
Hi. Yes, I want to buy some flowers for someone special.
Oh, how sweet. What kind of flowers does she like?
She loves bright colors. Red and yellow are her favorites.
Perfect. I have some beautiful red and yellow roses right here, and these sunflowers just came in this morning.
Those sunflowers are amazing. They're so big and bright.
Thank you. I get them from a farm about 30 minutes from here. They're always fresh.
How much are the sunflowers?
They are $2.50 each, or you can get 5 for $10.
5 for $10? That's a good price. I'll take 5, please.
Great choice. Do you want me to put them together with some green leaves? It looks very nice that way.
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
So, are you from around here? I haven't seen you before.
We just moved here about a week ago. We're still learning about the area.
Welcome to the neighborhood. You're going to love it here. This is a wonderful place.
I can already feel that. Everyone has been so kind to us today.
That's how we are here. We take care of each other.
Actually, I want to say something. Your shop is really beautiful. All these colors and the nice smell, it feels like a happy place.
Oh, that is the nicest thing anyone has said to me all week. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you like it.
I work very hard to make it feel warm and friendly.
I can see that. How long have you had this shop?
About 8 years now. I started it because I've always loved flowers. Every morning I come here and I'm happy to open the door.
That's a wonderful story. I can see that you love what you do.
And I love meeting new people like you. Here are your sunflowers. I added some extra leaves for free because you're a new neighbor.
That's very kind. Thank you very much. Her name is Lily, by the way.
What a lovely name. I hope she likes the flowers.
I'm sure she will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Please come back anytime. It was really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm sure I'll be back soon.
I'll be here. Have a great day.
Look, Lily, I got you sunflowers.
Oh, Ken, they're beautiful. 5 big sunflowers? Thank you so much.
The woman at the flower shop was really nice. She gave me extra leaves for free because we're new in the neighborhood.
See? People here are so friendly. How was your conversation with her?
It was easy. I told her that her shop was beautiful, and she was very happy.
You're getting so good at this, Ken.
I'm learning. This morning, I didn't know what to say to anyone, but now I know the 3 easy steps.
What steps?
Start with the weather, or say something nice, then ask a question, and the conversation just happens.
That's exactly right. Oh, and one more thing. You said nice to meet you to the flower shop owner, right?
Yes, I did. Is that wrong?
No, that was perfect, because it was your first time meeting her.
Oh, okay.
But next time you see her, you should say nice to see you instead.
Nice to meet you is for the first time. Nice to see you is for after that.
Yes, you've got it.
I'll remember that. Oh, look, someone is walking this way.
Are you going to say something?
Hi, beautiful evening, isn't it?
Ken, you did it. You talked to someone new without my help.
It felt good, and they smiled and said hello back.
I'm so proud of you. This morning you were nervous, and now you can talk to new people.
Tomorrow morning, let's walk here again. I want to say hello to more people.
I would love that. Maybe we can go to that coffee shop the man at the park told me about.
That sounds perfect. A morning walk and then coffee with the neighbors.
Let's go home now. I want to put these beautiful flowers in some water.
Good idea. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the most common topic for small talk in America? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.